everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing the random generator picks my eyeshadow. So I'm trying not to show you my eyeshadow, but yeah, let's get into the video. I actually can't believe I am starting a video looking like this. I'm trying out that TikTok trend of the hair thing, so hence why my hair looks a little bit mental right now. And I went for a run yesterday, and me being slightly ginger and it's suddenly being sunny in England, we don't work well together. So yeah, I bent, so please ignore that. And my hair, I do generally not look this rough when I start a video, but today we are doing a little challenge that I've not done before. I feel like you're really low down. Why? Also very wonky now. Good job, Sophie. But yeah, we are doing a challenge video. Today we are doing the number generator chooses my eyeshadows. I saw ages ago Sophie Does Nails do it, but it's also been on TikTok as a trend, and I'm TikTok obsessed. If you've not followed me on TikTok, what are you doing with your life? Go follow me, I'm great fun. But yeah, you can see my forehead's burnt as well, my cheeks. Ginger life. But yeah, today we are doing that TikTok challenge. So I asked Tom what palette I should use to do this, because I have lots and I'm not great at choosing a palette to use, and he chose one of the ones that he has bought for me over our last year of our relationship, which is the Carnival palette by Stacey Marie and would be perfect. This beautiful one here, insert images of my slightly wrecked palette. But yeah, we're gonna use number generator. There's like two ways to do it. There's one where you like get like crease colour, lid colour, lower lash line, like 4 colours, but I don't want to be like restricted to the colours for a specific thing, so I'm just gonna number generate I think maybe 5 colours from this palette, and yeah, I'm gonna pull up the number generator and that is what we're gonna do. How many shades? So I've got my number generator. We're just gonna pop in 24 shades and generate one number, which is number 9. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, which is Keen, the bright yellow here. So that is number 1 card to use. Next one, 23, which is Moony, which is this one here, which I use quite a lot anyway. Next, that's 2, 3, is Guilty. Ooh, this pink shade here. Pink and the yellow. Exciting. How many is that? 3, 4, 23. Oh, I can't use that one twice. I'll do it again. 17, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Recharge. Ooh. This blue metallic. I was feeling this look until I got that blue metallic. I don't know how to use that in that. That's going to be interesting. So I've got Moody, Guilty, Keen and Recharge. That's 4 colours. Want another one? 14. And Wasted, the purple. Right. 5 colours? Yeah. Maybe I should do 6 colours. Should I do 6 colours? No. We'll stick to 5. I can try and figure out a look with that. So the colours that I got chosen are Guilty, this pink shade here, Keen, Recharge, Moony. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another one. Oh, 5, Wasted. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I can already like use Moony for my brow bone and my inner corner. That's fine. And I feel like doing Wasted and Guilty like half on each side of my eye, and then using Keen to blend them out. Or yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I'm gonna pop off camera, prime my eyelids, and I'll be back to start trying to figure that look out. Okie dokie, I'm back. I don't look any less scary than I did before, but my lids are primed and I guess ready for these colours. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit nervous. They're not colours that I would personally choose to put together, so I'm just struggling to think how I'm going to use them. But we're just going to go for it. Like, that's the whole point of a challenge, you know, keep me entertained and you guys entertained during quarantine. Ooh, kicking stuff. I am going to start with the shade Guilty, and I'm going to pop that all over, I think currently right now. Yeah, I'm going to take this little flat brush and just going to put it on. I also like never do both eyes on camera. I always do one eye and then the other eye. So this feels very weird to be doing right now. Just gonna grab a little smaller brush and get right in that inner corner. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do I regret this already? 10. 10, 10, 10. But it's all good. All good. If you know me, you know that I always wing my looks out, so that's what I'm doing right now. Just winging the pink out because I know at a later date I am gonna wing it out. Oh my god, why am I so popular suddenly? I text Tom saying I'm filming now, so if I don't reply that is why, and I spelt it wrong and I was taking the piss. Next time I won't let you know that I'm filming. Okie dokie, this is what we are looking like right now. I'm now going to take this, and I'm going to take this little one. Is that too small? Now we are going to take that little tiny bullet brush and go into the shade Keen and use that to blend out the pink. Somehow. I don't like holding this as a mirror. I feel like I should have made the pink shape a little bit better before I did this. What I am enjoying is that they're actually creating an orange in between, which is nice. I've not added an orange at all, just doing that naturally. Going back into the first brush that we used, not taking any extra pink for now. Back in with a little yellow brush. Again, no extra eyeshadow. The stress. The stress is real. Now I'm going to take a little fluffity fluff brush to fluff out the edges. I washed it, so I know it's clean. Just can't find it. Just this little teeny tiny fluffing brush and just fluff out, blend out the outer edges of the yellow. The one shade I really don't know how I'm going to use is that blue. We're just gonna have to figure it out. This corner's got really messy. Not so bad on the other side. Gonna go back in with the yellow brush and then back in with the pink, you know, the usual. Back and forth until I'm happy with the blend. I'm now just going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the mess underneath here. so I can see slightly better where I'm at blending wise. Like, I don't want to move on colour wise until I'm happy with how the colours that are already down look, because they're currently stressing me out. I generally don't know if I can get it any better than that. So this is what they're looking like so far. So the orange is mixed with the pink, which is orange. The yellow is mixed with the pink, so it's made a nice orange transition. But I kind of lost the yellow a little bit. But I don't know if I'm too mad about that. I don't know. It looks good. I should have done a better job laying down the pink. It's a little bit wonky, and it's obvious that it's wonky. Okay, I'm now going to take some of the P. Louise base and roughly shove that on, and I'm going to put Wasted on. That's the purple shade. I don't want to ruin it. Because it's passable right now, but if I like add on the purple and that's what messes it up, I'm a bit pissed. So yeah, popping some P. Louise base on and then shoving the purple on. Going back in with the first brush and a bit of Guilty, using that to blend in the edges of the two colours together. Okay, it's alright. I'm going to do the same on the other side. We're alright. I'm gonna pop off camera, do the rest of my face. I'll be back for the lower lash line and to use, yeah, the last two colours. Okie dokie, I'm back, still looking really bad. Wear sunscreen, people. But yeah, makeup on. Now to do the lower lash line and use the last two colours from my thing. So I'm going to use the shade Moony to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner. So I'm going to start off by highlighting my brow bone, which it's got like a slightly bluey green reflex. Doesn't really go with this eyeshadow look, but we're going to do it anyway. Just going to go with a clean fluffy brush because I did just accidentally get that too far down. Blend it into the other eyeshadow. We love a highlighted brow bone, we do. I'm going to highlight the inner corner after I've done the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take Wasted again, because I feel like I want a purple lower lash line. No more explanation needed, I feel. Just be careful of fallout. I'm literally the worst at getting fallout when I do my lower lash line. I have not forgotten that I have that other shade to use. Don't you worry, I've not forgotten. Do I know I'm going to use it? No, but I've not forgotten about it. Because I kind of just want to leave it like this, because it looks cute. I'm now just going to connect up the yellow round and underneath as well. Do I regret that? Slightly. It's fine. I just dropped that mirror in the highlighter in the stationery palette. Oh god. I don't know if you can tell. That's the problem with Sophie at the moment. I feel like that's an accurate representation of my life. A hot mess. Okay, I'm now going to take that shade Moony and pack that in that inner corner as well. Give it a bit of pop. Using the same brush I used on my brow bone because it's a little lazy. And then using my finger to tap it in. Right. I'm now lastly going to take the shade. I forgot that I broke the highlighter and just shoved highlighter all down my top. Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like currently. I'm now going to pop this blue shade Recharge just on my finger in the centre. To give it a little bit of pop. I said I wasn't going to forget about it. Didn't really want to put it on my eyes, but it's not so bad. Okay, I'm going to pop off camera, finish my face, make myself look a little bit more presentable, and I'll be back with my final thoughts on this challenge. Yeah. I'm so clumsy. I am back and I've taken my hair out of the dressing gown trick from TikTok, and I feel like if I'd left it in for longer it would have actually worked properly. Because I have got some curls going on, but it wasn't fully dry when I took it out, so it's not fully worked. But I do like the volume and like the beachiness, how it looks. So maybe if I leave it in for longer it'll work better. I'll do it again tonight and see what it looks like tomorrow. But yeah, this is the finished eyeshadow look. I was a little bit skeptical when I first got the colours, especially that blue shimmer shade. I was like, I don't even know how I'm going to use that, and to be honest I did a little cheat of using it by just popping it on top of the purple at the end. But I really like how it's turned out. I've been looking at like these pinky purple sunset looks and been like, oh, I need to try that, and so the fact that I got those colours was actually pretty magical, to be honest. Yeah, it's not my favourite look in terms of my techniques wise. I wish I'd like done it a little bit slower. When I like come and do looks normally, I've already done one eye, so when I'm doing the other eye on camera I know what I'm doing and I know how it's going to turn out, whereas doing both eyes on camera with you guys I was like I don't know how I'm going to do this. But we're here, we've got the finished product. I just popped some lipstick on, lip gloss, which is the e.l.f. lip pumping one, you guys know, favourite lip gloss, and yeah, I'll pop a t-shirt on to hide the fact that I am burnt. Pale life problems. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this challenge video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love to have you back here. My name's Sophie, thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely day. Wear sunscreen, people, wear sunscreen. Don't do it me.